Hello, welcome to OneHowTo Sports, where we're going to teach you the basic salsa step known as the Suzie Q. When doing the Suzie Q, it is important to take into account that our body is always moving in a forward direction. The weight on our feet goes from tip to heel, with the front foot pointed downward toward the ground, and the back going tip to heel behind it. There are some people who will like to keep the back foot pointed as well, or who prefer it flat on the ground before moving it to the front. The move goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and marking the transition with 4, then 6, 5, 7, and transitioning on the 8 before going back into the first step again. There are variables which can be used to mix up this movement, but in the Suzie Q we always have to face front. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel for more still to come. We'll see you next time.